is Aimatul Husna. You can call me Aima. I am 18 years old and I am live in Cempaka, Banjarbaru. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I explain about present tense, past tense, future tense in the order. Fulfill the midterm exam extension for English courses. 1. Present tense is tense which is usually used to express an event that occurs in the present or is taking place. The present tense is divided into 4. 1. Simple present tense. Simple present tense one of the frequently near tense. The basic formula for using this tense. Subject plus verb 1. Example of sentence. 1. Take a bath twice a day. 2. Present continuous tense. Present continuous usually used to show an action that is ongoing and happening now and discuss a definite plan. The basic formula for using this tense. Subject plus to be plus verb plus ing for the positive. Subject plus to be plus not plus verb plus ing for the negative. Example of sentences. I am writing right now. 3. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense usually used to show an expression. The basic formula for using this tense. Subject plus have or has plus verb T for the positive. Subject plus have or has plus not plus verb T for the negative. Example of sentence. I have seen the movie. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense is suitable for expressing something that has been done since till now. The basic formula for using this tense. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing plus adverb of time for the positive. Subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing plus adverb of time for the negative. Example of sentences. I have been studying for the past 13 minutes. 2. Past tense. Past tense is a sentence that shows something that has happened in the past. The past tense is divided into 4. 1. Simple past tense. This tense is used to describe a job that has happened in the past. The basic formula for using this tense. Subject plus verb to plus object for the positive. Subject plus did, has, or were plus not plus verb 1 plus object for the negative. Example of sentence. I wrote that poem yesterday. 2. Past continuous tense. Usually used to say if an activity is standard. The basic formula for using this tense. Subject plus was or have plus verb ing plus object for the positive. Subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing for the negative. Example of sentence. I was writing a poem. 3. Past perfect tense usually used to describe an activity in the past. The basic formula for using this tense: subject plus had plus verb 3 for the positive, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 for the negative. Example of sentence: I had studied. 4. Past perfect continuous tense. This tense can be used to notify that an event started in the past and finished in the past. The basic formula for using this tense: subject plus had plus been plus verb ing for the positive, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing for the negative. Example of sentence: I had not been reading this article. 3. Future tense is a sentence used to state an event or activity will occur in the future. 1. Simple future tense. This tense is usually used to tell a situation in the future. This tense expresses a common question. The basic formula for using this tense: subject plus will or shall or to be going to plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb of time for the positive, subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb of time for the negative. Example of sentence: we will visit him every month. 2. Future continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an event in the future. The basic formula for using this tense: subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object plus adverb of time for the positive, subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object plus adverb of time. Example of sentence: I will be eating out with him this afternoon. 3. Future perfect tense. This tense is usually used to explain or events that have occurred. The basic formula for using this tense: subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus adverb of time for the positive, subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus adverb of time for the negative. Example sentence: I will not have gone to the mall. Future perfect continuous. This tense is usually used to talk about something that is already happening. The basic formula for using this tense: subject plus will plus have been plus verb ing plus adverb of time for the positive, subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus adverb of time for the negative. Example of sentence: my brother will have been eating dinner by 10. Thank you for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.